Welcome to our guide on 10 simple exercises for better posture. Whether you're spending long hours at a desk, hunched over your phone, or just noticing a slump in your shoulders, improving your posture can bring a multitude of benefits to your life. Good posture isn't just about looking confident and poised, though that's a nice bonus. It plays a crucial role in your overall health and well-being. When you maintain proper posture, you're helping your body function more efficiently. This means less strain on your muscles and joints, reduced risk of back and neck pain, and even improved breathing and digestion. Plus, good posture can boost your mood and energy levels, making you feel more vibrant and alert throughout the day. In this guide, we'll walk you through 10 simple yet effective exercises that can help you achieve and maintain better posture. These exercises are easy to incorporate into your daily routine, and you don't need any special equipment, just a little time and commitment. So let's get started on the path to a healthier, more confident you. Number 1, forward fold. Let's dive into our first exercise, the forward fold. This simple yet powerful move is fantastic for releasing tension in your spine and hamstrings, helping you feel more relaxed and flexible. Here's how you do it. Start by standing up straight with your feet hip width apart and your knees slightly bent. This helps avoid any strain on your lower back. Next, slowly hinge forward at your hips, letting your upper body hang down towards the floor. Imagine you're folding yourself in half. Keep your spine long and relaxed. Let your head and neck hang heavy and let your arms dangle towards the ground. You can even cross your arms if that feels comfortable. Now take deep breaths. As you inhale, feel the stretch along your spine and hamstrings. With each exhale, try to relax a bit more, letting yourself fold deeper if it feels right. Stay in this position for about 30 seconds to a minute, or as long as it feels good. To come back up, gently bend your knees a bit more and slowly roll up to standing, stacking your vertebrae one by one. Number 2, cat-cow. Next up, we have the cat-cow exercise. This one focuses on your torso and shoulders, and it also supports blood circulation. Plus, it's really simple to do. Start by getting on your hands and knees, with your wrists directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. You're in a tabletop position. As you inhale, drop your belly towards the mat, lift your chest, and look up. This is the cow pose. Feel the stretch in your torso and shoulders. Now as you exhale, arch your back towards the ceiling, tuck your chin to your chest, and round your spine. This is the cat pose. It's like you're imitating a scared cat. Repeat these movements, flowing from cow to cat with your breath. Inhale for cow, exhale for cat. Do this for about a minute or so, moving smoothly and rhythmically. Cat-cow is a wonderful way to wake up your spine and get your blood flowing. It's gentle yet effective, making it perfect for starting your day or taking a quick break to refresh your body and mind. Give it a try and enjoy the benefits. Number 3, standing cat-cow. After the simple cat-cow on all fours, let's move on to the standing version. Your hips, glutes, and back are going to thank you for this one. Start by standing with your feet hip width apart and your knees slightly bent. Place your hands on your thighs. As you inhale, arch your back, stick your tailbone out, lift your chest, and look up, just like in the cow pose. Feel the stretch in your torso and shoulders. Then as you exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin to your chest, and draw your belly button towards your spine. Imitate the cat pose. Keep your movements slow and controlled. Repeat this flow, moving from standing cow to standing cat with your breath. Inhale for cow, exhale for cat. Do this for about a minute, enjoying the gentle stretch and release of tension. Chest opener at number 4. If you spend long days at a desk, this stretch is perfect for you. It's super simple to do and feels amazing. Start by standing up straight with your feet hip width apart. Clasp your hands behind your back and straighten your arms. If it's comfortable, try to bring your palms together. Now gently lift your arms up and away from your back, opening up your chest. Take a deep breath in, and as you do, lift your chest towards the ceiling. Feel the stretch across your chest and shoulders. Hold this position for about 20 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply. With each breath, imagine your chest opening up more and more, releasing all that built up tension. To release, gently bring your arms back down and unclasp your hands. Give your shoulders a little shake to loosen them up. The chest opener is a fantastic way to counteract the effects of sitting at a desk all day. It helps stretch your chest, improve your posture, and makes you feel more open and relaxed. Give it a go. Enjoy the instant relief. Number 5, high plank. Next, let's tackle the high plank. This exercise might seem simple, but it's incredibly effective for relieving pain and stiffness throughout your body, and it targets almost all major muscles. Start by getting into a push-up position with your hands directly under your shoulders and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and keep your legs and glutes firm. Make sure your shoulders are away from your ears and your back is flat. No sagging or piking. It's like holding a straight board. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds to start and gradually increase the time as you get stronger. This high plank is a great way to build core strength, improve posture, and release tension. It might feel challenging at first, but with practice, it becomes easier and more rewarding. Give it a shot and feel the difference in your whole body. Number 6. Side plank. Now that we've covered the high plank, let's shift our focus to the side plank. This exercise zeroes in on the muscles along your sides, providing a fantastic workout for your obliques and improving overall core strength. Start by lying on your side with your legs stacked on top of each other. Place your elbow directly under your shoulder and press into the ground to lift your hips off the floor. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Keep your core engaged and avoid letting your hips sag. You can rest your top arm on your hip or extend it towards the ceiling for an extra challenge. Hold this position for about 20 to 30 seconds, then slowly lower your hips back to the ground. Switch sides and repeat. Number 7. Child's pose. And now moving towards the end, on a relaxing note with the child's pose, it's like giving your body a comforting hug, and it's great for your spine, glutes, and lower back and neck as well. Think of it as getting your inner child out, like you're reaching for some candy. Here's how to do it. Start by kneeling on the floor with your knees apart and your big toes touching behind you. Sit back on your heels, then gently lower your torso forward, bringing your forehead to the mat. Stretch your arms out in front of you, or you can place them alongside your body if that feels better. Relax into the pose and breathe deeply, feeling the stretch in your back and hips. Hold this position for about 30 seconds to a minute, letting your body fully unwind. Child's pose is a fantastic way to release tension and find a moment of calm. It's a perfect counter to more intense exercises and a great way to finish off your routine. Enjoy the relaxation and give yourself a well-deserved break. Number 8. Wall Angel. Next up is the Wall Angel. This exercise is fantastic for opening up your chest, strengthening your upper back, and improving your shoulder and spinal alignment. Stand with your back against a wall, feet about 6 inches apart from it. Press your lower back, upper back, and head firmly against the wall. Raise your arms to form a W shape with your elbows bent at 90 degrees and your hands touching the wall. Slowly slide your arms up the wall to form a Y shape, keeping your arms, elbows, and hands in contact with the wall throughout the movement. Then slide your arms back down to the starting W position. Repeat this movement 10 to 15 times. The Wall Angel is a great way to open up your chest, strengthen your upper back, and ensure your shoulders and spine are properly aligned. Number 9. Back claps. Let's move on to back claps. This exercise is great for counteracting rounded shoulders, improving posture, and reducing discomfort. Here's how to do it. Start by standing with your feet hip-width apart and your arms extended out to the sides, palms facing forward. Bring your arms behind your back and try to clap your hands together, squeezing your shoulder blades together as you do. If you can't quite reach, just aim to bring your arms as close as possible. Hold a clap position for a few seconds, then release and return to the starting position. Repeat this 10 to 15 times. Back claps help strengthen the muscles between your shoulder blades and open up your chest, making it easier to stand tall and reduce the slouching that often comes from long periods of sitting. Number 10. Glute bridge. Lastly, we have the glute bridge. This exercise is excellent for sending lower back pain packing and strengthening your pelvis. Start by lying on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart. Place your arms at your sides, palms facing down. Press through your heels and lift your hips toward the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top of the movement. Your body should form a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Hold this position for a few seconds, then slowly lower your hips back down to the floor. Repeat this 10 to 15 times. The glute bridge helps to strengthen your glutes and lower back, making it a great exercise for improving posture and reducing discomfort. It's a simple move with powerful benefits, so add it to your routine and feel the difference. And that wraps up our 10 simple exercises for better posture. These moves are perfect for improving your alignment, relieving tension, and keeping your body feeling great. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and exercises. Thanks for joining us, and here's to a healthier, more confident you.